Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's the Brittany B. If you're new, hit that subscribe button right now. Also the notification button. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new, subscribe. We're almost at 10K. I appreciate you guys so much. But let's get straight into this video. So on the previous clip, y'all saw me get like do this hair, style it, curl wand it, and all that stuff, right? Wand curl it and all that stuff. But anyway, this is a 16-inch. Let me make sure I'm saying it right. Hold on. This is Yolissa's hair. This is a body wave 16-inch left side part, 250 density Upart wig. Okay. And I honestly had this hair for about 2 months, I think. And the hair is so, that's why when y'all see in the beginning of the video, I'm not sure what part y'all will see, but if y'all saw it kind of like bushy, it's because I already like brushed it out really big before I showed y'all. But the hair is so soft and curls so easily that I don't even need to put any kind of holding spray on it. And I love that. And the length is 16 inches, and it's not too full and it's not too thin, which is really cute. My sister said I look like I'm on what's it called? Oh, Life, the Boom Boom Room.
Right. Yes! Damn, party.
Real 1960-ish, I think. Or is it 40? I don't know. But you know, I think it's super cute. It holds a wand curl so nicely. Look at that. Like, how pretty is that, y'all? The hair is very soft. The texture is really soft. It does not shed at all. It's true to length. Really bouncy. And just cute. And I think it's cute and flirty. And it's getting cold outside, so I suggest you go shorter with hair. Well, not shorter. I like medium lengths for fall season. So you go short, curly during the summertime, and I would go like medium length fall time. So this is really cute for the fall season. I believe this is my first time using Yolissa's hair. It's a great first impression. I've been having it for 2 months, and the hair really lasts, y'all. Super easy to install, and y'all know that I am natural, so I don't have a really hard time, especially with it being colder outside. My hair can stay. So all I did in the front, I cut that part off because I had to go to the bathroom and finish my hair off. It's kind of hard to like curl the front of my hair on camera. I don't know why, but what I did was just like add my real hair to this hair and like wand curled it together and just brushed it in. I did my little hump by doing every video. Y'all can look at another video to see that. I'm pretty much rambling, but anyway, you guys, I definitely recommend this hair. If you've tried Yolissa hair before, comment below and let me know how long it lasts you. So far, so good to me. Make sure you check them out. The link will be in the description box below. And I thank you guys for watching. Talk to you later. Mwah.